This is what we're after. Huh?
Got one! Hurry,
How can idiots say there's no God when a species that evolved from dinosaurs feeds us their unfertilized babies?
Oh, if I could lay eggs like these, I'd never leave my bedroom.
Ass. A rude way to say someone is very fat. Insult. Example. You fat ass. Very mean. Don't say to people.
Fuck your fat ass up.
She got a fat ass, too.
Preserve America for all those fat-ass coastal elites taking our liberties for granted.
You have a fat ass.
Don't shoot your fat ass mouth off to me, because I don't give a shit.
Idiots. Very stupid people. Example. Don't be idiots.
We're in Malibu part of the year, but the guys there are such idiots.
I told you idiots to save your money. Oh,
Charlie, can these two idiots play your stupid game?
What a bunch of incompetent idiots.
Idiots!
Species. A type or kind of animal or plant. Like humans are one species, chickens are another. Example. Humans are a different species from chickens.
and now we're going to clone it and revive the species.
The male of the species are natural-born hunters, and our prey is the perfect wave.
We must first have the code of life from the juices of the species intended as the host.
The female of the species.
Are you saying that the death of one species is less tragic than another?
Evolved. Changed slowly over a very long time, from old animals to new ones. Example, humans evolved from monkeys.
I want to get romantically evolved with you.
Nature has evolved man for that purpose.
I thought humans were more evolved than this.
The arrival of the mutated human species, Homo sapiens, was followed by the immediate extinction of their less evolved kin.
A planet where apes evolved from men?
Feeds. Gives food to someone or something. Example. She feeds the chickens every day.
If they perfect the cloning process while you're over there, you can use the DNA to create your own feeds.
This motherfucker takes and bites the hand that feeds him.
Well, he sees him every morning, feeds him breakfast.
Apart from someone who feeds people to pigs, of course.
It feeds the freezing river of hate that runs in my veins.
Unfertilized. Eggs with no baby inside. Normal eggs we eat, no chick will grow. Example. We eat unfertilized eggs from a store.
Take the unfertilized egg of an ovulating female and destroy all of its genes and chromosomes.
Easy and unfertilized, wheat toast dry, and please tell me that you got ketchup.
Can we see the unfertilized eggs?
Chocolate.
They took the genetic information from cells in Anna Zimmerman's body and implanted them into unfertilized eggs in the wombs of certain chosen women.
Substance, skin and bones, the unfertilized sperm, the unborn children, the unwritten books, the unrequited loves, the unslept in beds.
Lay. When a chicken makes, produces an egg. Example. The chicken lays one egg every day.
Somebody to lay it down, grab me by your head and show you exactly where. Every time I lay my head down.
Don't you lay a finger to that rifle.
You know the lay of the land.
Baby, you and me gonna have to lay dead for a little while, because I got to tend to my man's well-being.
Dead?
The farmer!
Homer Simpson, I am going to enjoy finding it in my heart to forgive you for this.
Well, there's no getting past that.
We may not be able to steal Flanders' eggs, but we can steal his idea.
You mean get our own chickens, feed them, love them, and eat their eggs?
Checkmate.
Forgive. Stop being angry at someone for something bad they did. Example. I forgive you for breaking my toy.
Forgive me if I'm not excited about explaining why there's only 2 of us coming back, James.
I'll never forgive you for this.
But he said he wasn't ready to forgive me.
You finish the race, I'll forgive all the back rent you owe.
Go with your heart. Love is rare,
True friends forgive.
Urban poultry farming is a great way to reduce our carbon footprint, or maybe increase it. I'm not sure. But they're so cute.
Now don't get attached. I'm about to cut them open to scoop out the eggs.
No, look! They're already laying.
Now what lays bacon? 1, 2, eggs!
Urban poultry farming. Raising chickens in a city or town, not on a big farm. Example, urban poultry farming means keeping chickens in your backyard.
Samantha Urban, say his name!
Little Lebowski urban achievers, yes, and proud we are of all of them.
Notably urban pacification and riot control.
It's an urban legend.
Yeah.
It's being turned into a Urban Outfitters.
The Poultryman's cargo unit.
She's worked at the same poultry plant for as long as I can remember.
Sauce and poultry recipes.
Now I am pleased and proud to present those princesses of poultry.
Hey, poultry lady. Are you really this cool?
Carbon footprint. How much pollution, CO2, you make from cars, food, etc. Example, eating local eggs can lower your carbon footprint.
Carbon footprint.
All you do is you scan a product, and it tells you whether or not the company is ethical by analyzing its carbon footprint, its labor policies, and a bunch of other things. And
Drive all over the country and ruin the environment and not care about their carbon footprint.
Because of the carbon footprint.
Yeah. However, I must decline as I have vowed to keep my carbon footprint to a minimum.
Scoop out. Take something out with a spoon or hand, like ice cream or insides. Example, scoop out the seeds from the fruit.
Open Phoebe's skull and scoop out the knotted tumor with a melon baller.
Chief, get the scoop out the bucket!
Did scoop out a little gray spam back there, but get this.
I've seen you scoop out brains before.
I'm not certain, honey darling, that you have ever reached deep inside any orifice to scoop out your soul. And
delicious. These don't taste right. You're crazy. These are the best eggs I've ever eaten.
No, something is missing. Bart's right. They're not as good as the eggs we stole from Flanders. The eggs we stole from Flanders.
Missing. Not there, lost, or something you don't have. Example. Something is missing from these eggs. They don't taste good.
Still, she couldn't shake the feeling that something was missing from her life.
Just been missing some work.
Except all the pieces are missing.
You just can't be missing shots like that.
He's missing out.
You don't think they tasted so great because they were stolen, do you?
Only one way to find out. Okay, first, a chip from the control bag. Now the stolen bag. Oh, it's true. Theft equals flavor.
Forget it. Just take them.
You can't just give them to us. They only taste good if we steal them.
Bathe. A thing to carry stuff like plastic or paper bag. Example. He stole a bag of chips.
Did have one, though, this colostomy bag named Morty O'Reilly.
One of the trash bag sisters picks up.
Oh, you can have a bag of corn, some tuna fish, at half.
Try to take my bag? It's absurd to be carrying around a shoulder bag in your own home.
Theft equals flavor. Funny line from The Simpsons. Stealing makes it taste better. Homer thinks stolen eggs taste amazing because of the thrill. Example. Theft equals flavor. Joke about why stolen food is tastier.
Grand Theft Auto.
It's theft.
Well, I would report the theft right away.
Anything recently rented or purchased, anything tied to a theft or a missing persons report.
Property theft is a real problem.
Each one can be a different flavor.
But leave as much of that delicious stem, which has the same flavor as the artichoke heart.
What's your favorite popsicle flavor?
Power, abstract, blow-up flavor.
One of every flavor.
Keep chasing!
It improves the flavor!
Sure, whatever works for you.
I guess we don't need our chickens anymore.
Don't worry, I've already found a research facility that will raise them humanely.
I wasn't worried about that.
Facility. A building or place for a special purpose, like a science lab or factory. Example. They sent the chickens to a science.
Daniel's inside securing the facility.
Depending on the diagnosis, he may even qualify for a facility.
Well, it is a ballet school, not a childcare facility.
Facility, where the gnomes were turning mushrooms into uranium.
It's coming from the research facility on the planet Fabon.